Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to convert the following area from meter square to cm square. Well, before we get started, I always like to remind myself that 1 meter is equals to 100 cm. So 1 meter times 1 meter is actually 100 cm times 100 cm. And therefore my 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 cm square. So with that in mind, right, I will then be able to get this conversion pretty straightforward. 0.36 meter square is simply 3,600 cm square. Okay, we multiply by 10,000. The key idea is that this particular conversion is pretty easy to come up with, and therefore we don't really need to memorize this. Yeah, okay, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.